Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to use coins on AliExpress. So let's get into it. Let's begin by navigating to the AliExpress mobile app and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app is open, you will notice the coins displayed in the top bar. Alternatively, you can access the coins by opening your profile page from the bottom right corner. Once you are on the profile page, simply tap on the coins to start collecting them. AliExpress rewards its users with daily coins, which you can claim by tapping on check-in. You can view your total coins and also their worth at the top left corner of the screen. You can explore products that offer discounts in exchange for coins. Let's open any product from this page. Once the product details pop up on the screen, proceed to purchase by tapping on Buy Now. Select the desired variant and quantity of products and then tap Continue. Next, enter your parcel receiving address or contact information and then tap Continue again. And that's it. This is how you can easily use coins on AliExpress. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.